morning. Have a good day, nice day. I'm Renu, again with you all with the topic, are we slave of ourselves? You would be thinking, what ma'am is talking about? Anyone can be slave of himself? But no, we are the slave of ourselves. Now you will be thinking, how we can be the slave of ourselves? Yes, we are the slave of ourselves because of our habits. Most of the time what happens, we say, this is my habit, I can't do this is my habit, I can't do this, because so what happened, are do you make habits or habit makes you? Ask the question to yourself. If habit makes you, so you can say, okay, I'm free. If you make the habit, so of course you are the slave of yourself, because you are always entangled with your thoughts and with so many things, because you always excuse, no, this is I am. And whenever we talk about this is not good, so you say, no, I can't because this is I am. How I'm going to tell you? What happens? A person is having so many habits. We are habitual of so many things in life. First you talk about if body language. What happened? Most of the people are having some of the common symbols in our body language. So sometimes some kind of body language doesn't suit to our personality. And when someone say to us, do not stand like this, do not sit like this, do not make these gestures, do not make these postures, we say, this is my habit, I do this, I said this. Many times you must have noticed that people have some kind of some people are sitting only like this, some people are just standing like this, some people have various kind of habitual body language that gives very negative impression. So always, in earlier video also have talked about the self-evaluation is very necessary. So always notice what the body language, what you are going to make, what gestures, postures, physical appearance you are going to make in front of the public, that is going to suit you or not. What doesn't suit you, do not make. Always see yourself in mirror. What kind of gestures, postures suits to me? What I have been habitual of making that really leaves very negative impression. Many times it happens. Okay. Next is our expressions. Expressions means sometimes you must have seen where the people are sitting and we see they are giving very poor impression, very poor expression, very negative expressions. Then we say, you are a blank face. What kind of expressions you are giving? So that is my habit. Whenever I sit, I watch movie, I sit like this. Whenever I talk to the people, I sit like this. Whenever I listen to something, I sit like this. But because when we are in public, so we do have to be very careful for each and everything. You must have noticed the celebrities. Why we do like them? Because they are very careful of each and everything wherever they are going. So you also do have to care. Do not say this is my habit. I speak like this. I sit like this. I have these kind of expressions, like while eating. What kind of how we are eating, how we are what expressions, what body language, what gestures and what postures we are making. Always notice yourself, because you will have to leave if that is giving very negative impression. Third thing is that your nature. You say, this is my nature. I get short temper on these things. This is my nature. I start laughing when this happens. Loudly I start. I speak very slowly. This is my nature. I can't speak loudly. This is my nature. I behave like this. This is my nature. What does nature? Who is making your nature? That means you. So you have to work on your nature. You can't say, this is in my nature, I can't improve that. This is in my nature, I can't improve that. You will have to improve. How you can be a short temper at every time? You will have to control on your temper. You will have to observe yourself, that what kind of nature you are having and where you need to improve, where you need to change when you are with the people. What you are, that should be hidden personally with you. You cannot make these kind of negative impression with the people, whatever the habits you are having. And that always happens because of our nature and attitude. We lose so many relationships. Many times we get harmed because of that thing. So our nature, that becomes our habit. Try to observe and think, I have to get rid of that thing. Not for others, because for me I have to get rid, because I want to live happily and I want to leave good impression. I want to get success, and I miss whatever is that all thing will return in you. That all thing you will get in return. Sorry. Next thing, our routine habits. Some of the routine habits we are having, like we say, I can't get up before 6 o'clock. I can't get up without having tea. This is very necessary. Routine habits are there. This is, I can't live without this. In my food, if it is not there, I can't. Why we always say I can't? Leave this word I can't. You can. Only you do not want to. So people never say this is my habit. Don't say this is my habit, because you are not going to remove you are not going to get rid of your bad habits, or you are not going to accept that these are your bad habits. You see, you think, no, this is my habit, and you feel very confident. Whatever I am, so okay, I am okay. You remain whatever you are. No one is going to deny you. But if that is really harming you, so you must observe. You must be careful, because that's not good thing. If you have to live in society, you will have to change yourself. You will have to remove these things from your personality. And speaking like this, sometimes people eat food and they start creating some kind of noise. No. In public, whenever you are sitting, you have to be careful. Whenever you are walking, you have to be careful. How do you have to walk? When you should be very adjustable. Whenever you are going, you can't say this is my habit, so I can't do this. No, you need to be very, very, very adjustable. Wherever you go, you can adjust, and the people start seeing you, people feel very happy. Then really, you, according to the people, you behave, you change yourself. So do not make any kind of habit that you can't change yourself, and that becomes a problem for you in your life. So whenever you observe yourself, don't try to be the slave of yourself. Do not say that is my habit, because habit can harm you. Habit really can destroy you. Habit can leave very bad impression, poor impression in the society. Try to change yourself, observe what kind of bad habits you are having. Like I have told you, in my nature, in my expression, in my body language, in my routine habits, whatever the habits I have placed in my, what habits I am having these days, and what really I think I should get rid of that. That may be of any kind of that. First, I would feel happy if you would observe yourself. You will find your poor habits and bad habits, and then you will work on that, and you will tell me that really, after listening to you, I was able to do, and really this gave me lots of good benefits. Then I would be very, very happy after listening from you, because what I speak, if that is not going to help you, so I will not feel happy, that I will think that I am speaking useless thing. So I would feel happy if I listen from you all that really you are improving, and if you think you are improving, please share with others also, so that others can also improve themselves. Thanks a lot, and thank you. Wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.